Good morning students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Today we are doing part B unit 4 electronics spreadsheet part 4. Types of cell references. Before learning different types of cell references are there in Excel, we must know what do you mean by cell reference. A reference identifies a cell or a range of cells. It means from which cell to which cell, like from A1 to A10 or A1 to B20, range of cells in a worksheet, and tells Excel where to look for the values or data used in a formula. Cell reference means cell values. Cell reference in formulas in Excel is of three types: relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. What is relative reference? Relative reference is a default cell reference used in Excel. Like, first see this example. In this sheet, some products are given and rate is also given, quantity is also given. How can we calculate the amount? Rate into quantity. Television rate is 25,000 rupees per television and we have purchased 2. How will we get the amount? Equals to cell address of 25,000, C2 into D2, rate into quantity. We get the amount. Now, if we have to calculate the amount of the toaster, then what will be the formula? C3 into the D3, and mobile phone C4 into D4, and AC C5 into E5. It means in relative reference, the formula's cell address can change automatically. Cell reference of the cells containing the data change when the formula is copied from one cell to another cell. Here it was C2 into D2, here C3 into D3, means when we copy the formula from one cell to another, it will change the data also. This is called relative reference. Absolute reference. In the absolute reference, the data remains constant even if the formula is copied or moved from one cell to another. A cell reference is made absolute by putting a dollar sign before the column letter as well as the row number of the desired cell, like $B$4. If we want to make the B4 value to a constant value, to a fixed value, then we will put dollar before the column and dollar before the row number also. This reference is used when we want to refer to the same cell address in the formula copied to all cells. Look in this data: product television, rate 25,000, quantity 2. Now the owner is giving the discount on the television. How we will calculate the total amount? Quantity, rate into quantity minus discount. What will be the formula here? C2 into D2 minus $E$2. This is 700 is the value, E2, $E$2. We have multiplied 25,000 into 2 minus 700. This discount is applicable to all the products. Toaster, in the toaster also he will get 700 discount, in a mobile phone he will get 700 discount, and in the AC he will get 700 discount. But we had not written 700, 700, 700 in each the cell. How we will deduct this? Like, see here, in the toaster it has written C3 into D3, 8,000 into 4 minus 700. 700 is the cell address of this E2. 2. How we will write with the in absolute reference? C3 into D3 minus $E$2. We have fixed this amount. This is called the absolute reference. As the name suggests, mixed reference. It is a combination of relative and absolute referencing. In relative reference, we have learned that the formula is changed in every cell. And in absolute reference, in this formula, the value is fixed and we have such a constant value. In mixed referencing, one part of the cell address, either it could be column or a row, is made absolute, means fixed, while the other part is relative, such as if we had written $A4, it means we are making the column value constant. $A, $4. A is a column name, we are making the column constant. Or if we are writing $4, then it means we are making the number rows to be constant value. In mixed reference, the cell reference change in one direction, either row or either column. Means if we are making the value of the 48 be to cell address, then we will write $A$2 into B$1. Means in the B, first value will be constant. This is the mixed reference. Types of formulas. There are two types of formulas, simple formula and compound formula. What is simple formula? It involves only one operator in a formula. Like we are calculating the total B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. We are using only plus operator. This is called a simple formula. And what is compound formula? They are used when you need more than one operator. Like if we are going to calculate the simple interest, then what is the formula to get the simple interest? Principal into rate into time divided by 100. So in that formula we have used more than one operators like multiply and divide. So it is called a compound formula. Thank you.